This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying access and gathering immediate data. Make sure your account and API keys work so you can query the pool. Next, select the exact liquidity pool and fee tier you'll analyze, since pool mechanics drive draw behavior. Then pull price and depth snapshots, 1 hour, 24 hours, and current tick liquidity, because you need context for short-term moves. Once done, you're ready to compute potential draw using current concentration versus historical spread. Now you quantify how much liquidity would be drawn under stress. Begin by mapping liquidity per tick and computing concentration as a % of TVL within the active range. Then run scenario sims for plausible price moves, 0, 5%, 1%, 5%, to estimate token outflows and where liquidity becomes exhausted. Convert these token amounts to dollar value using current prices and produce a slippage curve to see incremental draw. Make sure to log assumptions. Finish by aggregating outputs into clear metrics: worst-case dollar draw, time to depletion at observed volumes, and confidence bands from your sims. Then implement live monitoring and alerts for price moves, volume spikes, and rapid tick depletion so you can act. If results look off, troubleshoot common issues. Verify data timestamps, correct tick-to-price math, and ensure price feeds aren't stale. Once resolved, rerun scenarios and adjust concentration or fee parameters to mitigate future draw risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.